guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you some shoe organization. I have shoes all over our house. I've got shoes at the front door. There's a little cubby at the entryway there that also has shoes in it. There's shoes at the back door, upstairs in my wardrobe closet. In my wardrobe closet, just in various places, there are shoes everywhere. This video is going to be about how to organize all your shoes in one place. First step of this project is you're just going to go online and you're going to find some inspiration, whether that's from Pinterest or another website. It's always good to go online and just gather ideas from different websites because so many people imagine things differently or find creative ways to organize rooms, and you might not be thinking of something, but somebody will put it up there and you'll be like, wow, that is actually a great way to organize this room. I'm going to steal that idea. So Pinterest is a great way to kind of just gather ideas and see where you want to go with the project. One cheap and easy available option for you is the shoe rack. A shoe rack is just an open method in which you can see all of the shoes and you can kind of just line them up side by side. The dimensions for the closet really prevented me from finding the right shoe rack because it had to be a certain width and I just couldn't find the one that was going to work out for the closet. I searched on Amazon and I just couldn't find the right dimensions. Maddie has decided to join us for this video. You can also get one of those organizers that hangs over the door, and then you take your shoes and just put them into the pockets. The door to this room swings back right into a wall. That would be hard for me. I wouldn't be able to put enough shoes into the pockets and it wouldn't create enough space for me, so the closet was the best idea. The organization method that I have chosen is to purchase a bunch of plastic boxes. I'll show you guys what they look like. So it has a hard plastic cover over top and it's easy to assemble, and you just put the shoes right inside and then it kind of clicks. It kind of clicks. There we go. And at the bottom here, it has a way for you to connect them to the other boxes. This makes it easy because if you end up moving, these are super easy to carry around. And if they get a little bit dirty, you can clean them out. Devin and I don't intend on staying here forever. So if I did something more permanent, it might be a waste of money in the long run. But this way, if we move to our next house, we can just take these little containers with us. I found these boxes on Amazon's website, so I will link everything down below in the description box. So many different companies manufacture these boxes. You can get them in various different styles. There are some more expensive ones, but there also are some very reasonably priced boxes like these ones. So again, I will link everything down below in the description box. You can go see for yourself. This next step is you're going to gather all your shoes. So I'm taking all of my shoes out of the areas in the house and I'm putting them into one. These are the shoes from downstairs, and then I've got all of these shoes. Yes, those are Crocs. These are my favorite shoes all time, okay? I've had them for like 10 years. Next, you're going to count how many shoes you have. You're going to need to know how many shoes you need to organize so you purchase the right amount. I'm going to order the amount of boxes that I need and wait for them to come in, and then once they're in, I'm going to assemble them and I'll show you guys how to do that. Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you did like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new content, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!